Hello and welcome to J.A. King's demo of our GageSuite calibration system. My name is Tori Manning and I'll be showing you around. GageSuite is J.A. King's award-winning, cloud-based calibration management and asset tracking system. It is available to all of our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Best of all, it is absolutely, completely free. This is the GageSuite homepage. You can log into it by visiting our website at jaking.com and clicking on the My J.A. King button on the top right of the screen. You will automatically be taken to the GageSuite homepage. From the homepage, you can access all the pages with your customer information. You can change your password by clicking on the Change Password link here. You can also change your email address by clicking on the Change Email link. Using the links in the Billing submenu, you can make a payment if necessary, or see all the transactions you've had with J.A. King. But the best part of GageSuite is it stores all of the information about all of the equipment that J.A. King works with for your company. Starting at the home screen, choose Equipment from the Custom menu in the middle. This is the equipment homepage where you can access information on all of your equipment. Clicking on the plus filter sign will expand the filters you can search on, including make, model, manufacturer, and calibration due date. By clicking the View link next to a piece of equipment, GageSuite brings up the equipment record, where you can see all the information about a particular piece of equipment. Here you can see the type of equipment, manufacturer, and model number. You can also see the location in your facility with 4 levels of detail available. On the right, you can see the last calibration date, the calibration frequency, and the cal due date. And by scrolling down, you can see all of the times that J.A. King has calibrated this particular piece of equipment. By clicking on the calibration cert files in the menu bar, GageSuite brings up all of the calibration certs J.A. King has ever done for that piece of equipment, which comes in handy during audit time. Clicking on a link brings up a PDF of the cert, which you can save and print. Going back to the equipment list homepage, you can see that it is color-coded: green for items due for calibration this month, yellow for items due next month, and red for overdue items. GageSuite automatically sends out emails 30, 60, and 90 days out to remind you when a piece of equipment is due for calibration. The equipment list can also be exported into CSV and Excel files for easy uploading into other systems. Going back to the GageSuite homepage, from the drop-down GageSuite menu at the very top, you can choose Mass Email Certs to have all of your calibration certs for your equipment within a certain date range emailed to you. If you'd like to request calibration from J.A. King, go back up to the same drop-down menu and choose Schedule Calibration. On the next screen, you can choose to have the equipment calibrated on your site or sent to our lab. If you choose to send it in, after allowing you to select equipment, the system will auto-generate a packing slip for you. If you choose to have it done on site, our coordinator will call you back to schedule. Finally, if you need to update your company's contact information or calibration requirements with us, click on the link Customer Requirements form on the homepage. On each step of this short form, you will be asked about the correct contacts for your company and what kind of service you require. We ask that you review this information annually. Thank you very much for watching our demo. We hope you enjoyed it and that you now have a better idea of the power of J.A. King's GageSuite. If you have any questions, please call J.A. King at 1-800-327-7727 or visit our website, jaking.com. Bye for now.